Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage credit counseling with GreenPath, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with GreenPath credit counseling, visit their official website. Look for the Get Started or Connect with a Counselor button on the homepage. Click on that button to access the intake form for new clients. Fill out the required information, including your name, contact details, and financial situation. Once the form is submitted, a credit counselor will reach out to you, usually within one business day. During your first call, be prepared to discuss your financial goals and concerns. The counselor will provide an overview of the services GreenPath offers. Together, you'll assess your current financial situation, including income, debts, and expenses. Your counselor will then create a tailored action plan to help you manage your credit. This may include budgeting tips, debt management strategies, or credit report analysis. Follow through on the recommendations given by your counselor for the best results. Stay engaged with your counselor throughout the process to adjust your plan as needed. You can access additional resources and tools on the GreenPath website anytime. This includes budgeting worksheets, educational articles, and financial planning calculators. Make sure to schedule regular check-ins with your counselor for ongoing support. Utilize the knowledge you gain to improve your financial literacy and credit score over time. Remember that managing credit is a journey, and consistency is key. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.